Far, nearly 1,000 COVID-19 related lawsuits have been filed across the country. That is according to a Virginia law firm that is tracking the cases. Now, a Texas senator is helping draft a bill to limit what he is calling frivolous lawsuits. Jack Fink reporting.
Our sales are down 60%. And we're just fighting to stay alive.
At Desperado's Mexican restaurant in Garland, owner Mike Levy continues with his takeout and curbside pickup business only.
Thank you very much.
He hasn't reopened his restaurant to dine-in customers under the 25% occupancy rule.
So before we do open up that door, we want to make sure that everybody is safe.
Levy says while he checks his employees' temperature every day when they come to work, regularly sanitizes the restaurant, and requires everyone to wear a mask, he still worries that once he reopens more of his business, he could be sued by a customer if he or she is later diagnosed with COVID-19.
That's a little scary. It's a little overwhelming.
We simply cannot allow a flood of frivolous lawsuits to harm.
On the U.S. Senate floor Monday afternoon, Texas Senator John Cornyn discussed legislation he's drafting that would protect businesses and frontline health care workers from baseless yet costly lawsuits related to the virus.
And the best way to do that is by following the guidance of people like the Center for Disease Control. And if people do that, then I don't think they should be held liable.
Under the bill, in order for businesses to have their liability limited, they'd be required to comply with public health guidelines regarding cleaning and protective gear. Senator Cornyn says the legislation would not protect businesses or owners who engage in grossly negligent, willful, or criminal misconduct.
And frankly, I think it would be bad law.
Dallas Attorney Chad Ruback says if businesses are doing the right thing, they're already protected under the existing standard, and that the new system being developed would be a dramatic change.
A gross negligence standard elevates the burden that an individual would need to satisfy to such a high level that it would be almost impossible for the individual to prevail.
Justin.
As for Mike Levy,
Yes, sir.
he says he likes the certainty the new legislation might bring, especially because COVID-19 has created so much uncertainty.
I like it. I know personally with our restaurants, we are following every rule that we can.
The Texas governor, lieutenant governor, and House Speaker have already sent a letter to congressional leaders asking for their support for a bill offering liability protections for businesses and healthcare workers in the next COVID-19 relief package. Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.